I got the Giandel pure sun wave inverter, 24 volt, 2000 watt. I'm going to go ahead and hook it up to the battery. We're going to use one of these little deals here to kind of reduce the shock of a giant spark. It's not so much the fear of a giant spark as you don't know what it's doing in there. It's just not good to have big sparks jumping around, and it's just easier this way. Give it a few seconds and then you should be able to put it on. Alright, you want to make sure you got this tightened up. Don't break it, but tighten it tight. There you go. You want to be careful you don't get that tool across the two ends like that. Now I've got these in series. When you put these batteries in series, what you want to do is touch the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative. Let the batteries kind of settle out so they're the exact same voltage. Now once you get it hooked up properly here, this does come with a little switch to turn it on. Got about 15 feet of line. And you'll see down here it's got a, let's see, got a digital where you can see that, and it has two plugs. It's showing you 26.4 volts. And we can go with the heat gun to start with. And the reason I decided to go with the 24 volt system because I can put in double the amount of solar power. Instead of 400 watts, I can put in 1100 watts of solar power. That means I can charge it faster. And plus, I don't have to have as large a wire. As you can see right here, that's a 2 gauge, which is adequate for 12 volt, but I'm doing 24 volts. Didn't use much. Let's grab a heavy duty drill. I do have a gas generator, but I wanted this so that I can, if I need to, I can charge this up during the day with solar, or I can get my battery charger and hook it up and charge it with the battery charger, and I can use this at night. Doesn't really seem to make a nick in my battery power. I'm sure if I can run it for I can probably run it working all day long. So that's your basic DIY solar generator. You can hook it up to solar panels, or you can charge it with house current or off of a generator. That's bad to the bone right there.